Victory in the MotoGP Marquez Germany July 2017 still echoed in the media. What's behind the scenes of fierce battles between the racers Yamaha Valentino Rossi, Jorge Lorenzo and Repsol Honda racers duo Marc Marquez, Dani Pedrosa in MotoGP Germany, cinematic action a world-class motor racing. Marc Marquez declared himself happy with the taste of racing back on top of the Motor RC 213V. Repsol Honda's flagship racer that dominates the course race GP Germany and claimed victory this season. But behind the action yesterday, tucked into a fascinating spectacle also could not escape the eyes of the media. MotoGP Germany July 2017 could not be separated from the role of the girls' umbrella, beautiful and captivating level 2 dear to miss. Following the action from some of the maiden Motogp umbrella season,